rejoice, O pure Virgin. Again I say rejoice, thy Son is risen from his 3 days in the tomb. With himself he has raised all the dead. Rejoice, rejoice, O ye people. Shine, 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 O New Jerusalem, the glory of the Lord has shone on thee. Exalt now, exalt, and be glad, O Zion. Be radiant, O